My dear April, I feel blessed that I can stand here in front of you today to call you my wife.
You're my, always you're my.
Honestly, that was quite irresponsible. April, you are the most special person who I love from all my heart, dearly and unconditionally, just the way you are. I might not understand your jokes, April, I vow to choose you. I vow to create a loving family, and I vow to love you forever.
For the rest of my life, with all that I have, I do, and I will. When the sky is falling, I promise you I'm all in, no turning back. And every day, every moment, every breath you take, I choose you.
Today I become your wife, your other half, and I vow to put us first and make sure that we are constantly working to grow better together. I promise to support and encourage your dreams, to celebrate the joy of every day with you, to stand by your side through joyous and challenging moments of our lives. I promise to be kind, patient, and forgiving most days. I promise to honor your passion for FC Barcelona. And most of all, while I intend to grow very, very old with you, I promise you a faithful commitment for all the days of my life. I am very happy and proud to start the rest of my life with you today. Balint, mahal kita. Inagyon Sharetlik.
We'd say we do. For the rest of our lives, with all that we have, we do, and we will. When the sky turns black,
I know I have much pleasure in declaring them to be husband and wife. Celebrate your marriage with kiss.
And I'll say I do. For the rest of my
I would like to give a very special thanks to Eileen, the beloved mother of April. She really is an angel. She's a loving and caring mother, a beautiful one too.
Yeah, we thought at first to just do it, just the two of us, but this is definitely far better. So we appreciate all of you here.
Let's celebrate!
Cheers!
I choose you.